Hi, we're Ian and Leanne, and this is our self-converted camper van whose name is Dick. Join us as we travel around the UK and beyond, doing walks, paddleboarding, cycling, and much, much more as we take you on our epic adventures. This is now where we're parked up for this today. Might be here up to 72 hours, but we're not sure yet. But fantastic views. It's the old town there. I'm going to put in what it's called because I can't pronounce it. Well, this is the place that we're actually at. I can't pronounce it, but that's it. I think we could be in for a shower in a bit.
Yes, I think so.
Well, we just found our next project. Just a little TLC required. Just come across this old derelict church and we just set off a load of dogs. Just out on a cycle ride this afternoon. We're about 25 minutes from a place called Pedrosa, which is near to where we're staying at the moment. This is part of an old derelict railway line. There's loads and loads of old buildings that are just falling apart. There's an old church just down here. But what's beautiful about it as well is it's all part of there's a gorge that runs down the side of it as well. And, I'll make it out down here. So we're going to be entering the tunnel shortly. Well, that's the tunnel that you can actually go into, but it's that wet from all the rain at the moment. We'd actually need waders, I think, to get through there, so we should not bother. But you can see more of these derelict buildings here as well from days gone. Well, that tower was for up there some years ago. Be interesting to know what this old building was used for years ago. I mean, what a fantastic building. Like a brilliant house. This is absolutely beautiful around here. We were following a train track to begin with, but now we're just following some roads, and I think they take you up into the mountains. But as you can see, the weather's looking quite ominous in the distance. It is forecasting rain very shortly, so we're going to head back to where we're staying. Well, tonight we're staying on an old train track, or part of an old train line, from a place called Cervantes, I think it's called. Might be completely wrong there. Get it up in the screen. And but yeah, we're all completely and utterly on our own here. There's Dick Park there. But, I'll show you sort of some of the surroundings that we've got here. So yeah, up in the distance there we've got mountains. That's part of an old train line. We've been on a ride today. So I'll show the footage of that in a minute. And then we're also going on one again tomorrow as well, which is all part of this same line as well. But, yeah, it has got electric hookup points there, but they're all switched off. But one of these places is absolutely free to stay at. In fact, we've been in Spain now since Thursday last week, and that's 5 days ago, and we've not paid for one campsite yet. And in fact, one of them had free electricity with it, which can't be bad. After another bike ride this morning, and just keeps getting better and better, this one does. Just following an old railway line. So the scenery around here just keeps getting better and better. You're in the area near Santelices in northern Spain. You'll find an old railway line and just bring your bikes, come out for a ride or even a walk. And it's just absolutely fantastic. We're going to be going into a tunnel very shortly, and there's an old village up here as well. Ooh. Oops, he fell down a hole. So yeah, it's absolutely brilliant, this. It's brilliant. So it's quite a cold day today. It's currently 3 degrees. 3 degrees it is. It's a high of 5 today. Heat wave. So there's a hell of a lot of there's a lot of abandoned properties around here, I must say. Yeah, very interesting cycle ride this. Sorry? Talking to the camera. Oh. And there we are, the biggest waterfall in Spain, called El Grande. We've turned around and heading back the other way now. It's got up to about 4 degrees now, and it's absolutely freezing, and it's about to start raining as well. Well, I've just come back from the bike ride, and it's been a while since we've been on the bikes for a long ride, and in Spanish, me duelen las nalgas, which means my butt cheeks are sore. Well, the sun is shining, bring on the solar, that's what I say. It's 16 degrees today, and we're in Torrelavega. Well, we couldn't resist it today. We saw the coast as we were driving along and had to come and have a look. Just up behind me where I am now, there's actually a campsite here. It's not open at the moment. It's a bit of a climb to get up to it, I must say. I've actually forecast another storm coming in later tonight. It's about 40-mile-an-hour winds, so could be the sea getting ready. I've just travelled a bit further on the coast and come to this little bay. It's quite a massive beach actually. It's deceptive. It reminds me a bit of some of the coves that you get in Mallorca. but probably on a grander scale actually. But, the sea's over there in the distance. I should go and have a closer look. Yeah, it's turning rather misty out. This is absolutely idyllic. Let's go and have a look, see what's in here. Ooh, Leanne, you might want to consider coming out. Oh shit. It's like you're going to get your feet wet. No. I'd run for it now, Leanne. You're going to get your feet wet. The fact you've jumped. Oh. It's a good job we didn't go in there because the tide's coming in.
I can't believe that. I've literally just walked through that.
You might find it'll dry out again for a minute. It might have just been one rogue wave.
Yeah.
Because look how far out the sea is there.
Yeah.
That's really odd, isn't it?
Yeah.
You wouldn't have...
Now.
This is beautiful down here though. Oh, shiter. It's coming for me. It's coming for me, baby. It's coming for me, baby. It's so deceptive, isn't it?
It is, very.
You think it's going out and then it's not. It's, oh dear. This is why, boys and girls, you need to be watching what the tides are doing.
Look, in front of my cave now, it's all...
Yeah. I don't know how well the Osmo's picking it up. The moon's out up there.